weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for East Central Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, northeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, until 8 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Franklin Park, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Ross Township, Bellevue, Westview, and McKees Rocks around 7:45 p.m. Pittsburgh, McCandless Township, Shaler Township, and Gibsonia around 7:50 p.m. Millvale, Etna, and Sharpsburg around 7:55 p.m. Penn Hills, Plum, Hampton Township, Wilkinsburg, New Kensington, O'Hara Township, Oakmont, Fox Chapel, Arnold, and Springdale around 8 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Sewickley Hills, Cheswick, Ben Avon Heights, Sewickley Heights, Reserve Township, Glenfield, Russelton, Hayesville, Glen Osborne, and Curtisville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.